happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a good start to your week. Things are going good over here, but I am having one issue. One is that the truck has started hyper flashing on the right blinker, and so I kind of was like, shoot, it must have been part of when I installed the new finished bumper lights or something like that. I must have screwed something up, so I spent a whole bunch of time tinkering around with those, realized it wasn't them, and finally I went back and unplugged the rear tail light, the right rear tail light, and realized that that was actually the issue. And when I pulled it apart, one of the resistors that actually came out of the LED headlights, and that was what was causing that issue. So I could have fixed it. I kind of tried a little bit, tried resoldering it, but quite honestly, I'm not really super fan of these taillights anymore anyway, so it's kind of a good excuse to get some new ones. So I have some new ones here, so we'll take a look at them. All right, so this is what I got. They're still LED tails, but they're basically, I'm going for as kind of clean as I can get. So they're pretty basics. This is the left side here. No more kind of C. That C was nice, but I don't mind just having one solid block there, all black except for the one little reflector there. But I think they're gonna look really clean in the truck. So we'll go ahead and get the old ones out and pop these ones in and look at the difference. All right, to remove these, it's just two screws, two Phillips screws, right, one up top and one at the bottom. Now, one difference between the old one and this new one is that it actually has a reverse LED built into it as well. So I can go ahead and pull out, I had already put a really nice LED bright 3157 for a reverse. So I can go ahead and pull those out because I'm not going to use those anymore. There we go. And one other difference to this one as well, it has a, I'm not sure if this is just a big resistor pack or what this is, but basically it's an external pack and it comes with a sticky pad. So I'm gonna have to, as I put this light up inside there, I'm gonna have to stick that against the back wall inside there to be able to hold that up as well. As far as the actual install goes, these are pretty basic. Basically the connections plug directly into your 3157 style connections, the OEM connections. Just the top goes to the top, the middle one goes to the middle one, and the bottom reverse will go to the bottom reverse on the new light as well. So plug all three of those in, and I'll unstick this pad here, stick that against the back wall in here, and you clean that up a little bit so it has a good surface to stick against, and then we'll remount it. That's all it takes. All right, there it is. There's a new one. I still need to put the other one on the other side, but there's the comparison. So there's no more of this, the chrome, the C, and that kind of stuff. It's all basically just kind of clean and dark. Kind of matches the whole blacked out theme of the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap this other side out, and we'll turn them on and see how they look. All right, here we go. I think they turned out really, really nice. I think they're really clean, really dark, and that's exactly what I was going for. So I'll go ahead and kick them on and see what they look like. It's perfect. They got this one little side light, which is kind of neat, and then it's just a full bar going across. I think they turned out really sharp. They ought to work really good. So I've also got a set of switchbacks for the bumper lights in the front, and I'm going to probably plug those in once I got the main headlights done. That has taken me longer than I want to. But the next thing on the list here, coming up on Thursday night, got to do some drag racing prep. So we'll go through that as well. But that's all I've got for tonight, guys. I'm going to do, like I say, I'm going to do some drag racing prep and do some calculations to see if I can figure out about where I think the truck should run at based off the horsepower they have. So we'll see how close we are to that. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to give it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and keep following. We're going to do some fun stuff coming up. Thanks.